Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to learn how you are going to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number. And there's a rule for that, which I'm going to show you. But first, we are going to convert an example of mixed number to an improper. So let me take down a mixed number for you all. For example, if we have 756. So if we have a mixed number and that's 756. So what do we do first? We keep the denominator as same, that's 6 itself. And then you multiply these two numbers, 7 times 6, that's 7 times 6, and then you add the number 5 to it, 5 to the result, whatever your result is. So we add that 5 to be. So in this one, we have 7 times 6 gives us 42 plus 5 over 6. And that's super easy. 42 plus 5 gives you 47 over 6, and that's your answer. Done. This is how you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction easily, very easily. So for example, if you have 9 1/3, if you have 9 1/3, so you have the denominator always same, and then you multiply the two numbers, 9 times 3 plus 1. So 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1 over 3, that's equal to 28 over 3, and that's your answer. Done. Okay, so this is how usually you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now we're going to solve some questions related to multiplication of numbers. So I'm going to write that down here. Okay, so basically I have a number. Suppose I have a number 4 2/7 multiplied by 5/7/6. Okay, so we're going to multiply two mixed numbers here, and that's really simple. As I've shown you how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. So basically we multiply 4 times 7, that's 28. So we do 4 times 7 plus 2 over, the denominator is always same, that's 7, times we have 5 times 6, 5 times 6 plus 7 divided by 6, denominator remains same. And so now we are going to calculate that. So we have 4 times 7, that gives you 28. 28 plus 2 gives us 30. So we have 30 over 7 times 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 7 gives you 37 over 6. And now 30 times 37. So we can break down 30 into 5 multiplied by 6 over 7 times 37 over 6 cannot be simplified. So I have written the same as it is. 6 can be cancelled down. So you can simplify easily like this. 37 times 5 will give you 185. So I'm going to write that down, 185 over 7. So this is how you got an improper fraction when you multiply two mixed numbers, converted, and then you simplified, you got an improper fraction, that is 185 over 7. So here what are we going to do is we're going to use QRD rule to convert it to a mixed number. If I want to convert it into a mixed number, I'm going to use long division method. So I'm going to divide 185 with 7. So 7 goes 2 times. 7 times 2 gives 14, and you're left with a remainder of 4. Carry down 5. So you have 45, and 7 goes 6 times. 7 6 is 42. So I'm going to write 6 here. 42. Subtract 42 from 45 and I have a remainder of 3. So this is my remainder, this is my quotient, and this is the divisor. So that's what we have got. The quotient is 26 and remainder is 3. So and the divisor is 7. So that's converted to a mixed number. Now I have another question similarly like this. Let's do this one. So we have 7 2/5 multiplied by 6.5. So here what are we going to do is again convert it back to an improper fraction. 5 7s 35 plus 2 37 over 5 times 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 13 over 2, and that's equal to 37 times 13 over 10. 5 times 2 is 10, so I have 481 over 10. This one, what I can do is I can convert it using the QRD rule. So I'm going to use that QRD rule. That's equal to QR over D. You have the quotient as the whole number part and remainder over divisor as a fractional part. So let's divide it. That's 10. 481 divided by 10. So it goes 4 times, that's 40, and you're left with a remainder of 8. Carry down 1. So you have 10 times 8. That gives you 80, and subtract, you have a remainder of 1. So that's your quotient, this is your remainder, and this is your divisor. That's it. Done. So your quotient is 48, that's the whole number part, and remainder is 1, and divisor, that's 10. The denominator always remains same. So this is a whole number, combination of a whole number and a fractional part as a mixed number. So this is one way to convert to a mixed number. There's another way, like suppose we have 481 over 10, the same thing. 481 over 10 can also be broken down into 2. That's 480 and 1. So 480 over 10 and 1 over 10. So I can simply add them up now because I have chosen the highest multiple of 10. So it goes 48 times 48 plus 1/10, and that gives you the mixed number directly. That's 48 1/10. That's what you had here, the same thing you've got here. 48 1/10. Either you can use long division method or you can use the breaking down method. There are two simple ways to do it. Okay, let me show you one more multiplication. That's really simple. If we have 9 1/3 times 9 2/3, this applies when you have both the whole number parts as same. Here I have 9, here I have 9. If I have 2 2, if I have 3 3, if the whole numbers are same, this applies for that. That means you can directly multiply the fractional parts. First 1/3 over 2/3, that will give you 2 9s. And now I'm going to take this is same, the whole number parts are same, so I'm going to use this whatever your number is. I'm just taking a variable n, so n into n plus 1, that's 9. My n is 9. This is n, this is same, so let it be n. This is your number n, that's 9. So I'm going to put this 9 into 9 plus 1 is 10. That's equal to 90. So I've got my answer as the fractional part is 9, the whole number part is 90, and the fractional part is 2 9s. That's it. I've got the answer. Very simple. Okay, let me show you one more example related to this. That's 7 2/5 multiplied by 7 3/5. As I told you, the whole number parts are same in this. When you apply, it will only be applied when you have the whole number parts same. That means 7 7 or 2 2s or 9 9s or 3 3s, like that. So I can just multiply the fractional parts directly. That's 2/5 multiplied by 3/5. Okay, so 2/5 multiplied by 3/5 will give me 2 times 3 just multiply the numerators. That's 6 divided by, multiply the denominators. Whenever you have multiplication of fractions, it's really simple. You just multiply 2 times 3, 6, 5 times 5, 25. So you have 6 over 25 as a fractional part. And then I'm going to take this. The rule is you take n into n plus 1. Your n is 7. So here I'm going to write down 7 into 7 plus 1 is 8. So I get 7 times 8 as 56. I've got the whole number part. This is your whole number part. This is your whole number part, and this is the fractional part. Fractional part. So the whole number part is 56. And the fractional part is 6 over 25. And that's it. I've got my mixed number directly. So this applies when your whole number part is same. So hope you like this session. For more such tips and tricks and fraction hacks, you can subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and do leave a comment. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.